Ngayong palubog na ang araw sa semester na nakaraan, ngayong malapit na namang matapos ang isang buong taon mo sa law school, kamusta ka na kapatid? O para sa isa o dalawang kasama natin dito sa LXM community na laging laman ng comment sa Spanish origin ng aking tanong, kumusta ka na kapatid? Pag-usapan natin yan kapatid kahit mabilis lang. All of this and more coming right up! This episode is brought to you by the LXM Bootcamp. It's our program to help you determine if you are for law school, if law school is for you, or both. For one whole week, you will be living the harsh life of a hardworking working law student. All of our classes will be online and aligned with the schedule of law school. You will be tasked with researching cases, reading and understanding codal provisions. You will be called to recite what you have learned, write case digests, and take quizzes. And you will be given timely feedback on how to improve. The LXM Bootcamp will help you prepare in advance on what to expect in law school. You will also be learning lessons that should serve you well in the months and years ahead. Register today for the LXM Bootcamp through the links in the description box below. Hi, my name is Lex and welcome to Lex in Motion. In this channel, I'll be helping you build your competence, confidence, and capability in law school. Start today by hitting the subscribe button below. New episodes are posted every Friday. Kumusta ka na kapatid? Alam kong mahirap itong sagutin. Sa one-on-one coaching and mentoring program, yan ang aking bungad sa linggo-linggo na lang na nagsisimula ang aming mga individual na call. Hindi ko tinatanggap ang sagot na okay lang po because that answer does not tell me anything about the state of your mental health. Kumusta ka na kapatid? Isang taon na halos mula nung ikaw ay unang pumasok sa law school. Isang taon lang ba talaga? Bakit parang sa nakalipas na ilang buwan ay ramdam mo bigla ang pagtanda? Naani mo'y pakiramdam mo sa law school ka na rin nakapangasawa at nagkaanak. Ilang taon na ba talaga mula nung una kang mangarap na ito ang buhay na gusto mo? Ilang taon na ba mula nung una mong sinabi na gusto mong maging abogado? At gagawan mo ng paraan para ito ay iyong masubukan. Isang taon, 2 taon, pangatlo na ba ngayon? Parang hindi mo na maalala. Parang hindi mo mawari ang bilis lang pala. Parang alam mo din sa puso mo na hindi ito naging mabilis lang. Alam ko kapatid na maaaring hindi ito ang buhay na iyong pinangarap. Akala mo kasi noon ang law school, pang clout chasing lang. Flex lang ang law school sa iyong fantasy sequences. Pero ngayong nandito ka na, there is nothing glamorous with the life you are living. Nung ikaw ay nangangarap lang na maging abogado, inisip mo siguro nakakayanin naman ito lahat. Nakakayanin mong pumasok sa law school na planchado ang polo, maayos ang buhok, bit ka ng malalaking libro at kapit-kapit mo ang pangako na balang araw ikaw ay magiging abogado rin. The reality though is an entirely different story. Law school is a terrible place to be. Lahat ng tao pagod, puyat, gutom at masama ang loob. There is nothing beautiful in law school. Sabihan man kita noon na mahirap ang law school ay hindi mo naman ito maiintindihan until and unless you have lived this life. We can always tell you that law school is very difficult, but you will never understand that unless you've walked a mile in our shoes o sa iyong sitwasyon, isang buong taon na. Mahirap ang law school kapatid, hindi dahil teknika lang yung mga dapat matutunan. Ang iyong talino sa iyong pagpasok sa law school ay madadagdagan sa mga buwan o araw na ikaw ay uupo lamang sa klase. Mas matalinong tao ka na ngayon kaysa sa version mo from 1 year ago. Pero alam din natin pareho na hindi sasapat ito. Mahirap ang law school kapatid pero hindi ka rin naman tumutubo ng paurong. Law school does not get easier by the day. You only get better at it every day. Your appreciation of the law today is much higher than where you were a year ago. Your understanding of the codal provisions now is much higher than when you began this journey. But in every step of the way, the world around you is quick to remind you that you are not enough, that you are inadequate, that you are small and you have absolutely no business being here. You see kapatid, mahirap ang law school hindi dahil mahirap talaga ang batas. Mahirap siya kasi bumubuhat ka ng mabigat, ng paulit-ulit at sa paglubog ng araw, ikaw ay susubukan kung may natutunan ka. Ikaw ay titimbangin at ikaw ay madalas ay kukulangin. At sa muling pagsikat ng araw, ikaw ay inaasahan na muling babangon, muling bubuhat, muling titimbangin at muling mabibitin. Hindi dapat animated ang episode na to kapatid, bagkus gusto kong ipakita sa iyo kung paano ako maghasa ng lumang kutsilyo. Ang bawat hagod, ang bawat tulak ng aking patalim sa bato at tubig ay iisa ang anggulo, iisa ang bayo at anumang kalawang at kapurulan ay tatama ng aking paghahasa. That for me is this week's one big message kapatid. Law school is very grindy. You are expected to do the same things over and over again, reasonably better today than yesterday. You are expected to yield results, even if you do not understand why you have to go through the same consistent strokes each and every day. Law school is grindy kapatid because lawyering is also very grindy. Diversity in your practice is quite rare, but in the mundanity, in the sameness of each day, you find your meaning because you are changing the world. The same world, just for a different human being. In the past year of your grind, in the past year of your existence in law school, sana hindi mo nakalimutan ang feeling ng excitement noong una mong masilayan ang certificate of registration mo, ang unang tingin mo sa ID mo. Sana ay sparks joy pa rin sa iyo ang pagpasok sa bawat araw na ikaw ay excited na may matututunan kang bago. Sana ay sparks joy pa din sa iyo ang magbihis para sa klase kahit na alam mo wala ka na namang alam, kundi ang dadalawang kasong ambag mo sa group digest. Walang shortcut sa law school kapatid. Walang magic na biglang magpapatalas ng kutsilyo. Pwede kang sumubok ng life hack ng reviewer ng iba, ng mga sample exams at digests ng mga kaklase mo. Pwede kang magtaob ng tasa at doon maghasa ng kutsilyo. But there is simply no substitute to learning the law the way it was meant to be learned. Law school is grindy kapatid. The only way you get to your finish line is by putting one foot forward, one after the other. When you put in the time, the energy, and the attention, there is no other conclusion but certain success. Salamat kapatid kung inabot mo ang ending ng episode na salamat din ko sa ilang minutong nagdaan ikaw ay gumaan ang iyong pakiramdam. If you would like to see more content on how to build your confidence in law school, please let me know by typing yes in the comments down below. Alam ko na simpleng yes lang ito kapatid pero mahalaga ito sa amin. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that what we do here is helpful. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that an actual sentient human being watch this episode at may totoong tao ang nakinabang sa aming pinagpaguran. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share this episode for good law school karma and I will see you next Friday.